Hey guys, so sometimes you might see your coffee might be really bitter, like the customer complains the coffee is bitter, and then you don't really know why is that happen. Everything is just running right, the recipe is good, everything is just perfect, your practice is perfect, nothing wrong with it. Then why the customers still complain about the coffee is bitter? Now, my first solution is cleaning the group handle, cleaning the group head. So those are the two things that make your coffee taste really bitter. If you don't keep cleaning it throughout the day, let's open this one. If we don't clean it, how it's gonna look like? So I will just use the tool here to quickly open the shower screen. Have a look down here, guys. So if you see your group head has a screw like this, that means you can unlock the screw and take the shower screen out and do a proper cleaning. All right, so let's take this one out and do a proper cleaning. Alright, if you don't have the tool like mine, you can just use a teaspoon and then just unscrew it. Here we go, let's have a look. So this is why your coffee tasting really bitter, because all these are coffee. And this coffee get extracted again and again. So that is the #1 reason for the bitterness in your coffee. So the way that we clean it is also very simple. Just keep the screw in here so you don't lose it. So just rinse it through with hot water. Or you can just bring it to the sink and do a proper cleaning for that. Now the purpose of doing the cleaning here is to get rid of all the coffee here. Alright, it's a bit hot. And have a look. So if you can see all the holes here, doesn't have the coffee block in between, that's good. Alright, that will make the coffee taste less bitter and also give the coffee a better extraction, because all the block holes, that's where the coffee is not getting extracted evenly. It will go through the part where it's not blocked. Alright, so cleaning that, less bitter and better extraction. Alright, after you do this, you can just quickly plug it in. Alright, so literally it will take you less than 1 minute to do the cleaning. And that's all done. And with the group handle, let's have a look at the one that we haven't done the cleaning. And let's take that out. This other one hasn't gone through cleaning for a couple hours, and that look dirty. If you smell it, it smells burnt. Alright, that's where the coffee pick up the bitterness from. So make sure you clean it. And the way you clean is also very simple. Just put it underneath the hot water like this. Alright, give it a proper clean. Just rinse through hot water. We want to keep the temperature of all these equipment hot, so we can use that straight away. So just use a cloth, clean in and out, and you are done. Alright, that's how I reset a group head, a group handle, and make the coffee tasting good. That's it. Alright, very simple. Thanks for watching.